This is our 8-foot by 10 gauge Verson mechanical press brake with a Hurco CNC back gauge. Machine is in excellent condition. There's a beautiful set of dies on there, which I'll show you a picture of the profile. It is 8 foot overall, 6'6" between the housings, 55 tons mid-stroke, 75 at bottom. As I said, it's rated 10 gauge over 8 feet. Going to take a quick look. Hurco. Motorized adjustment. Electrics are nice and neat. There's your Hurco back gauge. We're going to start back, and then I'll bring up for a close-up of the back gauge. Now I'll show you up closer. You'll be able to see the back gauge moving in and out. Back. Came in. Back out. This is our beautiful Verson 8 foot by 10 gauge press brake. Thank you for watching our video. Totito.